Hey YouTube fam, it's a beautiful day in southern Arkansas. I'm about to head into town to do some Christmas shopping, and before I left, I started a red velvet cake roll. This video is for my friend Marissa Escobar. She's the lady that does our painting parties at the church. She's awesome. She suggested I make a red velvet cake roll, so Marissa, this is for you. And anyway, so I'm gonna go shop and have fun while y'all step into the kitchen and check out this cake roll. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, I'm gonna pour my 4 egg whites in here. We'll let them go until soft peaks start forming. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar and let it go until it starts becoming stiff. Okay, so I mixed my egg yolk, sugar, vanilla, salt, get up here where you see it, baking powder, soda, food coloring, water. And I'll tell you how to mix all that together down below. But anyway, I'm just going to add it to my egg white mixture. Okay, I'm going to turn that on to low. And gently mix that all together. Then I'm going to get ready to put it into the jelly roll pan. Okay, so I aligned my jelly roll pan with full, sprayed it with no stick spray, poured my batter in, smoothed it out. It's going to go in a 375-degree oven for about 13 minutes. It's out of the oven. I laid it on a piece of greased waxed paper. So now while it's hot, I'm going to take it, roll it, let it completely cool down. Okay, so for the filling, I've got a cup of powdered sugar, 6 tablespoons of butter, a block of cream cheese, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And a bunch of sugar going everywhere. I let the cream cheese and the butter soften to room temperature. So I'm going to let that mix up real good. I'm going to unroll my cake roll and spread the filling on it. I think that's good and creamy enough. So let's move over to the cake roll. Right, so I've unrolled it, spread the now I'm just going to roll it. Then I will put it on my plate and dust it with powdered sugar. All right, there you go, red velvet cake roll. Got it all dusted down. Doesn't that look good?